I've got the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and let me show you how to install apps on this phone. Now, the easiest way to install apps is to first of all set up the Google services and install the Google Play Store. Now, I'll show you how to do that in the link in the description. But for this one, once you have all those ready, installing apps is very easy. So you just go to the Google Play Store and just search for the app you want to install. So let's say you want to install Google Sheets. So just search for that app, or even Google Photos, whatever app it is, just search for it, tap on it, and then you can install it. And you can install any app you'd normally install from the Google Play Store on this phone. All you have to do is make sure you have the Google Play Store set up and the Google services set up. Anyway, once you install the app, it should be available for you. Mine is Google Photos. Let me just try and find it. Here it is. And that's basically how you download and install apps. Thanks for watching, and good luck.